Chris Orser Landscaping. We have some really nice looking Japanese snowbell. Really nice ornamental specimen plant, tree actually, small tree. Gets nice white flowers, really nice branching pattern. Even after the leaves drop, you have the bark that it's left with is very ornamental looking. Also the berries on this get this nice kind of creamy off-white color. So it's really a four-season plant. If you have a patio or a space in the front yard that in the corner or a large bed that you need some height and some really nice characteristics to a really nice specimen or a focal point plant, Japanese snowbell is one of the ways you can go. We also have just a number of different other types of specimen plants or screening plants, arborvitaes. So if you like any additional information on Japanese snowbell or any other plants, shrubs, perennials, the number to call is 215-249-1236, or you can visit us on our website, www.orserlandscaping, that's O-R-S-E-R, landscaping.com.